One.
How you doing? Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. We're going to take a really quick look at the new Galeon 430 HTC. This is a world debut for the west coast of Florida. Very innovative boat. First thing you're going to notice is a hydraulic swim platform. Pretty neat. It's got the steps built in, so as you lower the hydraulic platform, the steps will ascend for you. You're going to see the open cockpit here. Tri-folding doors opens up the entire salon and the cockpit into one level. Pretty neat design here. You actually have a sunroof kind of just built in. Brings a natural light right into the cockpit. Really doesn't make it seem that dark feeling. Coming into the boat, feel free to come on. And what you're going to see is you're going to see all teak throughout the boat. Very nice, very nicely done. Very good at points here. Diamond stitching on the boats. The little things you're going to notice that Galeon brings in is going to be the European touches. Very popular right now. They do a wonderful thing with natural light. You don't know how they do it. It is everywhere. As many windows as they could possibly put on the boat, they will put on the boat. Opening windows, port and starboard at the helm, as well as a massive sunroof opened up. One-piece windshield, awesome for visibility. You have sun pads on either side. The neat thing about this boat is for under 50 feet, it is a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout. Come on downstairs, take a quick look. Little atrium style here, entryway. You're gonna notice looking aft, you're going to have double bunks on both sides, port and starboard, which both have filler pieces to make them one single beds. Very nicely done head here. Moving forward into the stateroom, you're going to see, again, natural light all throughout the boat. They do a very good job with the woodwork, storage. It's just it's a boat that's taken America by storm. And then you have your ensuite for the master. So again, very quick walkthrough the Galeon 430 HTC, MarineMax in Clearwater. Give me a call, Patrick Rourke, at 813-909-5064, and let's set up a time to take it out on the water, get a better feel, and see if the boat's a right fit. Talk to you soon.